Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. And I heard that a plane has not landed. I heard that the okay, me and my brother were standing here, right here, and we saw a plane that was high, like over here to here, and it should land on the airport. The airport is there. The airport is there. But we saw that the plane was going here, but the plane didn't land on the airport, so it was hard. So they went like here and up, a little bit up, and they went up. After they went up, they didn't land on the airport, and I don't know where's the plane. It hasn't landed. It's like go over here, and I don't know where is it. I hope they're okay. My little brother was just sitting over here, and I said, "Look at the airplane," and it was coming like here and going up. And my father said, "Oh shit, what happened?" And I said, "What happened?" And he just said, "It is the hardest moment of the plane that it hasn't landed, so it will keep rounding. Do you know the Dubai Airlines, actually the Dubai has failed its engine, and I am the first person to watch it. And it was like boom, 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 like that. And I go up and check, and I heard that the plane has like mistakenly a bird have go to the engine, one engine, but luckily it have survived. But the another, I think he isn't lucky, or I don't know. It like went over here and it went here. Okay, imagine this is a plane, okay? Okay, it went here, a little bit high, again down, high, and when the airplane comes near, down, and they didn't landed, and high over there. No, I don't know where is it. Everybody's watching the airplane. What happened? This person. I'm so scared if I was in that plane, but luckily I'm not. Okay, peace out, guys.